animation. I will do it again, play. And I can go around, I can go look further on it and see the animation. And I would also give it a try to some special techniques that we implemented here. Also the steering of a machine with voice control. So enable. Now you see on the left side like a panel. So my arm is too short to tap on the HMI of the robot. So I will change the speed, fast speed. So now the Hololens capture my voice, translate by just typing the word that we have, what I should speak, and send it via a service back to the PLC of the machine. Slow speed. And there you can nearly steer everything on the machine that can have access from the outside. I would say this is nothing that we will have tomorrow or next week, but there will be a day that we have smaller glasses, not that expensive and heavy things, yeah, PTC is ready to fulfill those requirements.